Let's make the Bitter Beast from Kraken Rum. Hi, I'm Jer. Welcome to Kill-Divill, where we focus on rum and cocktails. Today we are going to make something called the Bitter Beast from Kraken Rum. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're returning to the channel, welcome back. In either case, I hope you enjoy this drink. For those of you who don't know, I've got a friend who's a little bit terrified of the Kraken Rum. I don't know if it's the overproof or a few too many experiences with the Kraken, but my goal was to make some Kraken Rum drinks that were good that he'd be tempted to try. So I went to their website and I saw all these drinks there and I thought, I'm going to make them all. This is one of those drinks. A note on the recipe. If you go to the Kraken Rum's website and look up their recipes, they tend to give things in parts, not real measurements. So this one has, and let me get my notes, 2 parts Kraken Rum, 1 part triple sec, 5 parts orange juice. Normally I translate parts into ounces, so that would be 2 plus 1 plus 5, which is 8 ounces. The glass they show on their website is a highball. Highballs are about 8 to 9 ounces. In addition, this glass is going to be filled with crush ice. So if we've got a crush ice filled glass, then 8 ounces of fluid is not going to fit in there. So I have a choice to make. Either I assume that a part is half an ounce, or I use a bigger glass. And because this is my last recording session of the night, I'm going for the bigger glass so I can get all the rum in there. A note on the rum. If you're going to make the Kraken Rum's Bitter Beast, then you kind of have to use their black spiced rum. You can make this recipe with any rum that you desire, but if you don't use the Kraken's black spiced rum, then it's really not the Kraken Rum's Bitter Beast. To make this drink, I am going to start by crushing some ice. And I don't have an ice crusher except for this mallet here, so I'm going to go off camera and do that where I can make some noise. With my ice beaten to a pulp, I'm going to see if I can fill the glass with as much as I did. I'm going to say that's filled enough. Next, 2 ounces of the Kraken black spiced rum. 2 ounces, I don't know, that was an ice cube or something. 2 ounces is 60 milliliters. And I put my fingers in those stupid holes. It's easier to pour this way. One ounce of triple sec. I currently do not have any triple sec, so I'm going to use Grand Marnier instead. I figure it's an okay substitution, even though it's technically not at triple sec, because Kraken Rum can't give me real measurements anyway. 1 ounce, 30 milliliters. 5 ounces of orange juice, fresh squeezed, of course. 5 ounces is 150 milliliters. I just did math. I don't know if you could see it on my face. Oh my gosh, that's filling up my pint. Because finally, well, not even finally, we've got to top it off with some lemon lime soda. Just a splash. And it is really just going to be a splash because I'm not getting anything else in there. Except for the 2 dashes of Angostura bitters on top. Ooh. And they don't say to mix this, so I'm going to get a straw. Now that I have a straw, I'm going to put that in my drink, and that's it. There's no garnish. And there you have it, the Bitter Beast from the Kraken Rum. Drink with good spirits. Question of the day. Why did the Kraken Rum call this drink the Bitter Beast? There's only 2 dashes of Angostura in there. That doesn't seem enough to make it bitter to me. In fact, all I taste is the orange juice. So if you know why they called it this, let me know in the comments down below. Note that there are ways to support the channel if you're so inclined. I do have social media links. They are in the description down below if you'd like to check those out. And if you want a t-shirt, you can contact me through those social media links and we'll make sure you get one. Finally, if you made this far and you like the Kraken or you don't like the Kraken and you like the fact that I'm drinking the Kraken or I'm trying to get a friend to drink the Kraken, give me a thumbs up for a like, subscribe, turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any more Kraken drinks or any other rum drinks or anything else I make. And until next time, cheers.